Hello, today I'm at West Sahara Avenue here in Las Vegas. I'm headed to an event called the second annual Customer Connect Car Show. You see, I'm always trying to find material for my YouTube channel, and so I googled this up, and this came up. So I'm gonna try to see if there's anything special about this show.
I was really drawn to this car, which was a 1957 Porsche Speedster. The Speedster was a version of Porsche's 356 model line. It had a minimalist design intended to keep weight and costs down. The sports car was primarily aimed at the American market, hoping to capture California's booming sports car culture. It was equipped with either a 1.5 liter or 1.6 liter flat 4 engine, producing between 60 and 75 horsepower, which is modest by today's standard.
Anyway, oh, okay, I've seen that before. Another Corvette. I guess this is a 1954 Corvette model. I'm sorry. 1960 Chevy Corvette. Okay, wow. Okay. What do we have here? There's something else in here, which is a, let me see what this is. A Jaguar, right, 1989 Jaguar. Yeah. In particular, Corvette. It's not that Stingray. This is one really pimped up Camaro, 1969 Pontiac. Okay. Pontiac 64 Pontiac Tempest.
I just felt I had to dub this one because the music was overwhelmingly loud. This is a 1936 Ford Model T, but as I looked inside, the transmission was automatic, so someone must have converted it at some point to an automatic.
Sorry folks, I had to retreat to a more quiet place in my car because that place was just too loud. Mm, the event wasn't that big, but it still had some unique cars to feature, and some of them I could still put in my YouTube channel and in my YouTube shorts too. So also the day turned out to be pretty nice. It's about 70 degrees right now because we're halfway between fall and winter here in Las Vegas. At least we're out of the really hot days, hot hellish days I mean. And if you like this video, of course, do the magic thing, subscribe. Boop. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.